Wait, did Samsung just accidentally reveal the Galaxy S26 Ultra's real design and expose a major camera problem at the same time? Because in the last 48 hours, two huge leaks dropped, and together they paint a shocking picture of what Samsung is really cooking for the S26 Ultra. Let's break this down because things just got interesting. So, first, these new dummy unit leaks. Black and white S26 Ultra models are shown side by side, and honestly, these look way too polished to be early prototypes. The matte black finish is giving full stealth mode energy, and the white one? Easily one of the cleanest Samsung designs in years. The camera rings are tighter, the layout is more balanced, and the whole frame looks sharper and more squared off. Samsung is clearly going for a premium, minimalistic, almost precision-built vibe this year. And if these are dummy units, they're extremely close to the final production shape. But here's where the story flips, because while everyone is busy looking at the design, phone art just dropped something way more serious about the Galaxy camera itself. And if Samsung doesn't fix this, the S26 Ultra might launch with the same limitation that has annoyed users for years. He points out that HDR and scene optimizer still can't be used in Pro mode, which means even if you adjust ISO, shutter speed, or white balance yourself, bright light shots still end up blowing out highlights. The sample video he shared shows exactly that. Santa's hat is oversaturated, the whites are clipping, and the dynamic range collapses the moment strong lighting hits the subject. And he's right. Samsung's Pro mode is powerful, but without HDR, it can't compete with Apple's and Google's computational results in harsh lighting. Now combine that with the S26 Ultra's new design leak, and suddenly the picture becomes clear. Samsung is pushing hardware refinement on the outside, but the camera software still needs a serious upgrade on the inside. Because what's the point of those beautiful new lenses if Pro mode can't fully utilize them? The good news? These dummy units and this camera complaint are dropping at the perfect time, right before Samsung finalizes firmware for launch. And Samsung does listen to this specific leaker, which means there's a real chance we could see HDR Pro mode or at least some level of computational blending added before release. So right now, we're looking at a device with a killer new look, a more mature camera layout, and a potential fix to one of Samsung's longest-standing issues if they take the feedback seriously. If these leaks are real, and they're looking extremely convincing, the Galaxy S26 Ultra might just end up being the most refined Ultra Samsung has ever made. But only if Samsung nails both the hardware and the software this time.